Welcome guys, I am Somalek and in this video I will be sharing with you my KDP income report for the month of Feb 2021. I will be sharing with you expenses that include subscription, that is always $9, then Amazon ads cost from the US marketplace, UK and Canada, and then we will be looking at the KDP income report, total units ordered during the month and total royalties earned during the month, and in the end we will have a net figure, income minus expenses. So if you're new, then do subscribe and also hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any new video from me. So let's get started. I am here in the KDP dashboard section, report section, and that is the dashboard. Let me refresh this so that it is showing Feb 1 to March 3. Just filter it Feb 1 to Feb 28 and then apply. It is also showing the free units ordered ebooks. I will filter by paperbacks only and then it will update. So here we can see we started with 14 unit on Feb 1st, then 7, 20, 24, 8 units, 15 again, 11, 8, 15, 17 units on Feb 10. On Feb 11, the lowest day was 5 units, 17 again on Feb 12, 11, and this is probably the lowest day on Feb 14, 3 units only, 12, 15, 5, 9, 14 units on Feb 19, 6, 14 again, 11, 7 units on Feb 23, 15, and again comes the very good day, 21 units shipped paperback and 4 units shipped through expanded distribution, and then 7 units on Feb 26, 13 units on Feb 27, and 7 units on the last day, that is Feb 28. So let's look at the total units ordered. So here you can see kdpreports.amazon.com/orders, and Feb 1st to Feb 28, 335 units of paperback ordered during this month of Feb. So now let's look at the royalties earned. This is the current month, March 1st to March 4, $33.34 only. Let's filter it by last month. So this is our income, $670 plus 38 cents. So that is total income from my KDP. That is almost double than the last year, but it is almost $300 less than January. So it happens all the time, income goes up and down always. This is the normal thing in KDP publishing. So here you can see from the graph that on Feb 4 and Feb 3 there were very good days. Again on Feb 25 very good day again. So let's calculate our income, expenses and the net figure. So for that purpose we need to look at the Amazon ads cost. That is firstly look at the US marketplace. During the month of Feb I spent $54.31. That generated $187.24 sales, and with an A cost of 29.01%. that is a bit high, and CPC is very good, $0.17. So overall 315 clicks, 54.31 spent, and 24 orders. That resulted into 187.24. So spent is 54.31 less. Let's put it here, 54.31, and now that is Amazon UK. I spent 32.63 pounds. That's generated 141.76 pounds sales, and with an A cost of 23.02%. that is very good again. So that counts for US dollars 45.56 here. Again, now look at the Canada marketplace. I have been running ads since 3 to 4 months on this, and during Feb I spent 48.82 Canadian dollars, which resulted in sales of $296.67 with an A cost of 16.46. That is very good, and that's resulted into 38.65 US dollars. So here, so overall ad spend and subscription, that is only Creative Fabrica $9 only, and total cost is $147.52, and total income is 670.38. So in this way we have 522.86 net income from KDP. That is above $500 mark, and I am quite happy with that. If we look at the last month's income, that is Jan 2021, and during Jan there was my spend was a bit high, 201, and income was again very high of 957, and the net income was 755. This month net income is 522. That is a less, almost $300 less net income. Let's see, 755 minus 522. That is $233 less than last month. That is quite normal. Income fluctuates, expenses fluctuate, and that happens all the time with KDP Publishing. So if you look at December was almost same as Jan, but during December I earned more royalties because my ad spend was low and income was high, 895. So during Feb 2021 I earned $670 and spend was $150, almost $47. That resulted into $522 of net income. So the main takeaway from this is, if we look at the marketplace wise distribution of royalties, deselect all, I earned around $200 from UK marketplace and $150 from Canada and $319 from US. So Amazon UK and Amazon Canada are playing very good role in my total royalties. So I am also focusing on these marketplace as well. Initially I was only focusing on US marketplace, but since last 3 to 4 months I have been focusing on Canada and UK marketplace. That is generating me more royalties, almost equal royalties to US marketplace. So you need to focus on these smaller marketplaces as well to have more royalties. So this is all from me today. See you in the next video, and if you are new, then do subscribe and also hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any new video from me. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.